Adjacent to the Toronto Botanical Garden is Edwards Gardens. Rupert Edwards sold the garden to the City of Toronto in 1955. There are 2 prominent willow trees in the garden, and they are believed to be planted by the city after the purchase. They are about 60 years old. The garden is popular for wedding photos, especially on Saturday. At the top of the ravine is the Moriyama Pavilion, which is named after the architect Raymond Moriyama, who also designed the garden center. Running through the entire garden is a Wilket Creek, which is a branch of the Don River. These beautiful waterfalls were created by Rupert Edwards. Daikon and radish are cooling off by the creek. From the parking lot, it's the start of the Wilket Creek Recreational Trail. It will lead you to Sunnybrook and Wilket Creek Park in the south. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.